So now we have to simulate this design, and in order to simulate this antenna, we have to give some excitation, and excitation has to be given with the help of waveguide port. So waveguide port will be applied to the face of this feed, 50 ohm feed. We'll pick the face and click on simulation and then waveguide port, and here the dimension will be 3 times of feed width to the 3 times of feed width as well. Total it is of 6 times, and at the bottom it will be TS plus TC, that is to cover the substrate layer as well as ground layer, and above it will be around 4 times of thickness of substrate. So we'll click on OK. Now click on 2 in order to see the bottom of the antenna, and it will look like this. One number suggests the it is port number 1. So now in order to simulate, first we have to set some field monitor, and which is around 28 gigahertz, and already I guess it has been applied, and still I will replace it. Yes, and we'll click OK. As of now I'm not making the inset feed, so as to give a better idea why I make the inset feed, so let's simulate this design, and once I'll check the frequency range, let's suppose 20 to 40 gigahertz, so it will give a better idea how the antenna is responding. And for simulation I'll be using this time domain solver, and we'll click on start simulation. And you once note that I've already saved the file in some of my hard disk, and it is necessary to save the design first before simulation. So we'll click on start simulation. So it is almost done with the simulation. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the configuration of your system. So now let's check the results. So in order to check the S11 parameter, we have to go with the 1D results. Click on S1 parameter and check, and here we are getting around minus 20, and that to 28 gigahertz, near about approximately, so it is acceptable in this case. And also in order to check the impedance, we have to check the Z matrix, which is coming around 44.5. It is not